Young Travis, I emailed you. Huh? Where? Is this you? Baby, you was last night. Did you wear? Huh? There's no problem about that. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko nabasa masyado. Wait. I-read. Yeah. Wait. That's okay. No problem. No problem. What happened? What happened? Thanks for Iwan. That's no prob. That's. There's no problem about that young Chavez. That's okay. I hope you can find work. I hope you can find work. Ano yun? What happened? Sorry, I just asked you what happened. Ano ba yung sagot? Ano ba yung tanong ko? Maybe my question is not right. It's not good. Hi, Mr. Daddy Rin. Good evening. You okay? I'm okay. But my neck is not okay. It hurts. Maybe I'm high blood. Masakit yung mga ano, guys. My back is my neck hurt. Sore. Sorry about my English. I'm not good in English, guys. I'm trying hard lang. From Kuala Lumpur. Are you from Kuala Lumpur? Thank you for coming to my live. Young Chavez, don't worry about that. That's okay. I hope you're okay there. Yang naya lang yang. Thank you for yeah, I'm single. I'm only one. I'm not I'm not double. I don't have that. That's invisible. I didn't try to video call my viewers case. I just talk here in my live only. But you can follow my Instagram. I have Instagram there. You can check my profile. But I'm not used to video call my I don't know I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. Ano ba yan? La 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 la. Don't forget to like my live, guys. Good evening to everyone.